Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into a Polygon Matic price prediction and going through the news and hype that has been surrounding Polygon in this last week. Right now we are seeing a very large increase of 13.25% in the last 24 hours alone. A price of $1.55 is now coming aboard, and we are actually taking a look at the last week, seeing a 17.43% increase coming all the way really from this $1.30. We actually decreased all the way down to $1.27 midweek, August 17th, and now seeing a massive increase with the Polygon Hermes acquisition. We've seen a lot going on with this price, so volatility will continue to remain in Polygon. I do think for the good, at the most part, we are going to see, or for the most part, I should say, we are going to see mostly increases with obviously volatility to the negative as well. But, you know, here coming to $1.55 from a 67 cent price point, July 20th, 8 p.m. So a great 112.3% increase in just the last month alone. The market cap for Polygon pushing very close to that 10 billion, as well as the volume in the last 24 hours pushing up to $1.3 billion. The circulating supply still being obviously at that 6.5 billion Matic as well. Polygon, by the way, if you guys don't know, is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using Layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in proof of stake consensus. So now at this $1.55, we are continuing to see the crypto market as a whole do very well with a 7.7% increase in just the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is actually making its way to almost 49,000. That is absolutely insane. A lot of people very excited about this. I do expect a very slow Saturday, Sunday, probably at the very least a slow Saturday. You know, this can't last for too long. You know, at some point there is going to be some kind of setback or resistance level that just cannot be passed. Here we are seeing some great things taking place though. Cardano up 18%, Chainlink up 11%, Polygon, like we said, up about 14% with VeChain. So let's take a look a little bit farther into Polygon with the most recent news, providing Polygon merger deal with Hermes Network in that $250 or $250 million deal, we should say. This is the first complete merger of one blockchain network into another, and Polygon, a layer 2 platform on the Ethereum blockchain, is merging with roll-up platform, like we said, Hermes Network, in a $250 million deal. This is definitely good. They actually talk more about the ZK cryptography and what ZK rollup is going to actually do for the Polygon ecosystem, which means that using the mathematical proofs to verify and settle transactions as Ethereum struggles with transaction bottlenecks, rollups have emerged as the preferred scaling strategy. And Hermes, which is the only decentralized rollup, is a user favorite. So we can actually jump into a couple more tweets. Here we had the testing of the Hez to Matic token swap smart contract on Rinkeby, and it's looking great supposedly. So we are continuing to see good things taking place with this merger, and I believe it's going to actually create a bigger demand for Matic altogether. We actually jump into another article here. Polygon is actually to form decentralized autonomous organization. So Polygon aim is for the DAO to attract 100 million users. The Ethereum scaling solution Polygon said it would build a decentralized autonomous organization, or a DAO, for the decentralized finance or DeFi sector. Polygon's aim is for the DAO to attract 100 million users and invite this community to say it is an ongoing DeFi and really deployment or development. They also talk about forming a DAO is the next logical step to aiding collaboration between blockchain-based systems, given the presence of projects such as SushiSwap, Curve, Aave, and already, you know, using that Polygon scaling solution. It will use some of its 100 million DeFi for it all fund for the process. Polygon, obviously, with that recent acquisition of Hermes in the first blockchain network token merger, is going to continue to push, I believe, farther and farther. We also see a recent DeFi report by Consensus found that 20 largest DAOs hold a combined $20 billion worth of digital assets. So they are moving in the right direction, in my opinion, remaining, to really build this coin and value of the coin up with some of these big announcements. And I want to take a look into the Polygon Ecosystem DAO. So this is the big thing we just talked about. The first phase of DeFi Summer on Polygon, we saw huge economic activity led by native Polygon projects like QuickSwap, Aavegotchi, DeFin, and Ethereum blue chips like Aave, Curve, SushiSwap, Balancer that chose Polygon to scale the next million DeFi users. These projects brought along with them more than just TVL, but their communities. the scarcity commodity in DeFi, and engaged in first of really kind of low gas composability only on Polygon, I should say. We welcomed their communities with blockchain-wide liquidity mining campaigns, assisted them with integrations with L1 and L2 communication, and helped to market product launches across the 1 million strong Polygon community. This synergy helped most projects generate more revenue on their Polygon markets than Ethereum counterparts. So you could say that Polygon's doing insanely well, and with some of these partnerships that they're grabbing, some of these ideas that they're coming up with are just fantastic. I think this, like I said, merger was a great choice, a great option for Polygon to jump on board with. And if you read through this a little bit farther, you can find more detailed, information on this Polygon Ecosystem DAO. But that's all I'm going to give you guys for today on the Polygon Ecosystem DAO, because, like I said, there's so much to go into, deep dive into. So August 19th, yesterday, they posted this, and if you guys want to do it, it says it's a 6 minutes read. I would say this is much longer than 6 minutes. So if you're a fast reader, I guess, maybe good luck at the 6 minute read, but definitely take advantage of this. I think, if you are a Polygon holder, always do your own research. And, I say that because I'm not a financial advisor. So jumping into this article, reading about, what's been taking place on the Polygon Ecosystem DAO is definitely a good option for you. Taking a look, though, at the Mobius Finance as well. Thank you, Polygon, for your invaluable support. We're delighted to share that Mobius Finance has received the sought-after Polygon grant to build and launch our multi-synthetic platform. So this is another great project launching on Polygon. Polygon Grant is a highly constructive addition to Mobius Finance, as it will help expand the ecosystem holistically. With this grant, we plan to improve the following, that being user interface, documentation, public guides, marketing and collaterals, as well as user acquisition. So we are seeing big things coming across Polygon's ecosystem as it continues to grow. Utility also continues to grow. Use cases are continuing to grow with all of that. And I think, the value of this will also continue to grow with all of the above. So taking a quick look at Polygon right now, we are continuing to see an increase actually up to $1.56. Almost like I said, that 14% increase in just that last 24 hours. If you guys want to stay up to date with Polygon, as well as pretty much every other altcoin on the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on as we now jump into those price predictions. So to start us off, I think by the end of the year, we could easily see Polygon pushing to new all-time highs. Right now, it's at $2.68 as its previous all-time high, May 17th at 8 p.m. I think we could easily see a $3 to $4 price point on that before the end of the year. Realistically, conservatively, reasonably, I'm going to say $3 as that price target. That would almost be only a 2x from this price. I think it's going to take a little bit for Polygon to really remain on the steady pace up. I think by the end of the bull market part 2, though, we could see much higher price points. I think by the end of bull market part 2, whether that's late 2022 or early 2022, I think we could easily see Polygon pushing closer and closer to a $5 to $7 price point. And that's going to be, like I said, very, very conservative. Right now, we're only at a $9.9 billion market cap. We could see Polygon continue on this path up at the same pace for, the next couple of months and see, prices around $9 to $10. So, realistically, there's so much possibilities, endless opportunities for Polygon to continue to grow. We'll definitely, like I said, keep you guys up to date through it all. So like I said, if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with things like VeChain, Cardano, Chainlink, Polkadot. So many awesome coins out there, and we will, like I said, remain to keep you up to date with all of those prices and news regarding those coins. So also, if you have not already, make sure to like the... Actually, I guess follow, not like the video. I was going to say like the video again, so used to it. But if you actually go to my Twitter here, CryptoProfitYT, follow me on Twitter. I try to keep you guys up to date with crypto there as well. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you guys all in the next one.